keep asking if I'm back. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm back.
Trong cuộc chiến sinh tử giữa các Transformers, phần thắng luôn nghiêng về cái thiện. Tuy nhiên, sự hy sinh của các Autobot không phải là ít. Theo thống kê không chính xác của kẻ chọn phim, số lượng các Autobot bại trận gần bằng một nửa so với các Decepticons. Hôm nay, hãy cùng kẻ chọn phim điểm danh lại các Autobot đã bại trận qua các phần phim. Các bạn đừng quên like video và subscribe kênh để theo dõi những video nhận nhí mà chúng mình làm nhé. Cảm ơn các bạn rất nhiều.
My first lieutenant. Designation Jazz.
This looks like a cool place to kick it. Oh, you got Megatron. Come here, cretin. You want a piece of me? You want a piece? No! I want two!
Take you to Optimus.
Get out, Sam! Get to the pillars!
People could have gotten killed, okay? And if I would have gotten hurt, you would have heard from my mother.
Oh, shut up. I told you I was opening a space bridge. In this desert, our ancestors built a great machine. It harvests energon by destroying sun.
Optimus, take my parts, and you will have a power you've never known. Fulfill your destiny.
Go! Electrify! Transplant those afterburners!
Let's roll.
Ironhide! Protect Sentinel. Get him locked up inside.
Consider it done.
Yeah, you gotta guard him, because he's the key to the whole thing.
Indeed I am. What you must realize, with Megatron.
Get back!
What have you done?
Rally all Nest forces back to the base! Come on, bro! Prisoners? You're keeping prisoners? You need to teach them about respect. This was all business, but now it's personal. Do you understand me?
Movies. Me? I mean, you know. Why did you... Goodbye, my home. So majestic and peaceful, this planet. Unlike the final days of Cybertron.
I've wondered what might have been.
I am no longer your teacher, Optimus. You are mine. Optimus, all I ever wanted was the survival of our race. You must see why I had to betray. Optimus!
Pounds of talk on that itsy-bitsy boat. Not my
You're
team.
gonna risk the lives of all me mates? I'll bat you, Nancy wanker!
It's time to kill him! We were hidden in the first booster rocket to separate. Splashed down back in the Atlantic just as planned. We ain't going no.
I'm an Autobot.
Grab whatever you think.
We're all hiding. All Autobots are being hunted. We're all in danger.
I lost a sister in Chicago. You get no sympathy from me.
What's
wrong with you humans?
He's mine now.
Locked
Is Optimus Prime.
Never.
Never is here.
Who is he?
Let's go.
As far as you're concerned, my boyfriend.
How long's that been going on?
You kids gotta get out of here.
Moving out.
Get up.
I can't.
Okay.
Only together can we survive. Let me lead you. Defend my family. Or die.
Yo soy Nemesis Prime. Tú mueres nada. Soy Bumblebee. The last Prime is dead. You're so weak. Run. Nada destruir Unicron. Sabía que no podrías hacerlo. Tu tiempo se acabó, Prime. Has fallado. Le diste la espalda a Cybertron. Ahora verás morir a la Tierra.